Good morning, class. Today we're going to be converting radians to degrees and degrees to radians. To go from radians to degrees, we're going to multiply by 180 over pi. To convert degrees to radians, we're going to multiply by pi over 180. For the first examples, we're going to convert to degrees. So for example number 1, we're going to multiply by 180 over pi, which allows us to divide out the pi's, and then we're left with simplifying 180 divided by 2. So if you calculate 180 divided by 2, we get 90 degrees. And what you can do to kind of check your answer is on the unit circle, you can see that when I convert pi over 2, I get 90 degrees. All right, question number 2. To convert, we're going to multiply by 180 over pi, which allows us to cancel out the pi. And then now I just need to figure out what's 13 times 180 divided by 15. Feel free to use your calculator, and I'll show you how to do that. So I can multiply 13 over 15 times 180, and I get 156. Okay. Number 3, multiply by 180 over pi, cancel the pi's out. Once again, I'm going to show you how you can just type that in the calculator. 7 over 6 times the 180, and we get 210. Once again, I can show you the reference. At 7 pi over 6, we do see that it's 210 degrees. Then for example number 4, we're going to multiply by 180 over pi, cancel the pi's, and then 5 over 3 times 180, we get 300 degrees. Simple. All right, next let's look at converting to radians. So to convert to radians, we're going to multiply by pi over 180, and we must simplify the fraction. So to simplify the fraction, I'll show that. You can do 210 divided by 180, and then go to math and hit enter twice, and then you'll see the fraction. So 7 over 6 pi. To show the reference on the unit circle, 210 is 7 pi over 6. 160, we're going to multiply by pi over 180. So once again, I'll show you how to simplify that quickly. Just go to math, enter, and you get 8 over 9. Okay. If you did not have a graphing calculator, you can just simplify 160 over 180, okay, by just reducing the fraction. Number 7, we're going to multiply by pi over 180. And we get 37 over 20. And then for number 8, we're going to multiply by pi over 180. The 180s would cancel, and we're left with pi. Okay. If you have any questions, please join us on our live session today.